Hello everyone, in today's video I just want to talk about if condition, how to use if condition in Excel. So right now I just want to discuss the if condition on different ways. Like there's many employee in one organization, so actually if anyone are said to you, please tell me the persons whose salaries increase above from 6,000. So actually you just easily use the if condition and you will be automatically know and you will be automatically point that one person whose salary is increased. And you can also check on the voting, like who are under 18, so they are vote or not. And you can also mention the name of that person in organization, like whose name who's under 18. And as well as you can also add the grace salary to under 18 person in the organization. And if you want to increase the increment like about 10% to those people whose salary is below from 2,000, so you can also use that, and you can also give grade to that person. And you can also check out the status, like if there's many people in organization, so there will be many people who are similar, so you can also check out that person easily in the organization, like whose name is similar. So right now I just want to use the here I also use the one trick like pad on pad trick. So I just want to discuss first of all this one, because we no need to enter anything manually in this Excel sheet. We should create a list for us. It will be our work will be easy to create a list for us. And right now you can see I'm just gonna to select this one area. Like you can see I just want to go, and right now I just going to be data and data validation. Right here you can see this is data validation, and you just go to list and you just click right over here and cancel this. And right now you can select this one pad on pad and you just put it OK. So here your list will be created, and you just put this one trick on this one Excel sheet, and you no need to enter manually anything like this. If you are going to paid salary for any person in organization, so you should click on the list and you directly click on paid or unpaid. So this is a bonus point for all of you. But here we are using main important things, like I just want to mention the people. Like right now I just want to go and merge this one place for me, and right now I just wanted to enlarge the writing here. And you can see, like I just want to I want to set the people are good whose salary is above 6,000. So I just want to, and I just give name to them. I just give name to them good. So I want to say I want to set the people who are good whose salary is above 6,000. I just give name to them good. So here I just want to use the same condition right over here. Like you just press the equal, and you can see I write the if. Right now I just want to the logical test. Logical test means you just mention that that cell from where you wanted to give the name to the person, like these are good or bad. So right now I just want to click here, and right now you can see I just want to click here. For example, I just want to click the greater option and or equal, whose salaries are greater or equal to 6,000. Right now I just want to write 6,000 and press the comma. These people are good. I want to open the double quoted and write the good here right here. And after that, if right now if like the salary of this person is below the 6,000, So you just write here bed right here, like the salary is bed of that person. So I just want to close the bracket and click the enter. So right here the salaries of this one person is 3,000. So right here they are mentioned directly. So this person should be good right over here. I just want to click right over here. So this person is good and this person is also good. You can see the salary is too good, but for example I just want to increase the salary of this one person. Almost I just want to increase the salary of this one person to 7,000. So if I click here, so this person directly automatically will be changed to good. Right now I just want to click here and this person automatically comes good. So I just want to click like about voting. So I just want to say that those people who are not eligible, who are under 18. So I just want to click and open the again if formula. So I just want to click right over here and I just want to click less than option and I just write under 18. So you can see I just want to click here and I just want to open the double quoted once again and I just want to write not eligible for voting who are under 18, but who are above the 18. So that people are eligible for this, like I just want to write eligible for voting. So I just want to click here and just close the bracket and going to be enter. So right here you can see this person are eligible because these are under not under 18 and these are just on the average. So right now I just want to click right over here. So some people will be not eligible, like this one are not eligible because the age of this one person is 11, and these are also not eligible and these are also not eligible for voting. So you can also use the if condition for voting. So right now I just want to mention the name of those people who are under 18. So right now I just want to mention the name of those person. So I'm directly going to be click right over here and once again I'm just going to open the if condition right here. So right now I just going to be click right over here and right now we no need to do anything more. We just going to be said that like just you mention me that people who are under 18. So I just want to go I'm just going to write the comma and place click right over here and I just want to close the bracket and going to be enter. So this person is not under 18, this is an average. So this should be this person should be mentioned right over here. So these are going to be false. So I'm just going to be enter and I'm just going to click right over here and put the comma right over here and I once again I'm just open the double quoted free. So you just going to be click and I'm just going to click again. So right here the side is also under 18 and the shy is also under 18 and the side is also under 18, but I'm trying to put this one number almost these are 13. So right here the early should be mentioned right over here. So you can see this is are not eligible and these are also mentioned right over here. So right now we are going to add the grace salary to under 18. So I'm going to add the grace salary. For example, right now once again I'm going to press the if condition and right now I'm just going to open the bracket once again and right now I'm just click right over here and right now for example I'm just going to add the salary to under 18 person. So right now I'm just going click here and right now I'm just write the under 18 and I'm just open the comma and right now add the salary to under 18. So I'm just clicking on that and just going to press the plus and add the salary is almost around 1000. So right now I'm just going to click right over here And right now I'm just going to close this one, right one, like this. So you can see they are not added the salary to this 1% because these are an average, but here you can see the salary are added to those person whose salaries are whose are under 18. So you can see this person is under 18, so the salary is automatically added to this one person. So right now I'm just going to like write this one person is like 11, so the salary should be also added here, and you can see everything are automatically linked with one another. So right now once again I'm use this on the other way the if conditions. You can see right now I'm just going to open, and once again I'm just applying the if condition on the same scenario. Like I just wanted to increase the increment of 10% if the salary is below 2000. So I just going to be click right over here, and right now I'm just clicking right here whose salaries are below 2000. So please increase the salary around 10%. So right now I'm just going to add the salaries around 10%. So I just gonna to be write 10,000 to this one column, like I'm just going to, and once again I'm just multiplying the percentage to this 1%, and you should write like this. And right now I'm just open the double code it, and once again I'm close this one. So you can see the salaries of this one person is 3,000. So but here the 13,900 there should be added the salary to this 1%. You can see this is a percentage where I increased to those persons whose salary is below 2,000. And right now I'm just going to be add the grade to the people's like whose salary is about 6,000. So this should be considered A grade, but whose salary is 4,000. So the above the 4,000, so we should consider this one person in the category of B grade. So we should be categorize the all peoples in the organization. So I just going to open this again condition. So you can see I'm just going to enter this one column because our focus is totally on this. But right now I'm just going to try and whose salaries are greater than 6,000. Then tell me this one person is in A grade. So you write here, you can see, and once again if whose salary is above 4,000, for example, I'm just going to be click at once again, and whose salary is above 4,000. So please gives the name to this one person in B grade, place this one person in B grade. So you can see, and once again I'm just going to click on if, for example, if the persons whose salary is above 3,000, so please give the grade to this one persons and place this one person on C category. And if the person salary is greater than 2,000, I'm just going to click on this, and if the salary is greater than 2,000, so please give the name to this one person and place this one person on D category. So you can see, and for example, if the salary is greater than 500, so we can see this on F grade. So you can categorize this one people like this in any organization. So for example, I'm just going to click on this and write 500 right over here, and click once again, and right now I just gonna to be place this one person on F category. So I just want to close all brackets right over here, because I already opened many brackets. So this one person is in D category because the salary of this one person is about 600. So right here this one person in A category because the salary of this one person increased from 6,000, and this one person in B category because the salary of this one person from 400 3,000. So you can also categorize people like this. Right now I just want to point and note those persons whose names similar with each other, because sometimes are going to be misunderstanding to be paired the one salary to other person in the same name. So we should be considered that names in any organization. So right now I just going to be click again and we open the if condition right over here, and I just want to click on this, and once again I'm just going to click right over here, like I'm just going to try to have, and right now I'm just going to click once again right over here and mention the persons who are matched with each other, who are similar to this one name. So I just going to be mention that person right over here. So right now I'm just going to G8 and equal, once again click right over here, and right over here matched. So I'm just going to open and right here not matched. So I'm just going to close, and this person are matched because Khan, second Khan, here you can see Khan is already present. So I just going to click right over here. So these are all matched, but right now I didn't open the main condition right over here. So you can see here's many people are matched, but some are didn't match. So I'm using the, so you can see you can also use the match and unmatched condition